Jana ni buat kejutan nak sambut hari lahir Dini. Jana pergi shopping belikan Dini phone baru sebab dah 3 tahun tak tukar phone. Masa bagi hadiah tu, sekali Dini bebel pula sebab ni.
3, 2, 1, jump!
Birthday Dini. So, I baru balik kelas. And Dini ingat I masih dekat kelas. Sekarang ni kita nak pergi beli hadiah-hadiah, guys. Shopping mall. Tengah tengok handphone untuk Dini sebab dia dah 3 tahun tak tukar handphone. I beli box ni untuk letak phone dia. So, jom balik. I nak keluarkan semua benda dalam ni. Lepas tu nak gantikan dengan handphone ni. Lepas tu I nak letak ni dalam beg telekung I. Berjaya. Let's go. Sekarang kita kat sini, kita propa macam kita baru habis kelas. Come on. Guys, sekarang ni kita tengah siap-siap nak pergi dinner. It's date night tonight. Makan kat sini ke? Ya, let's go. Jom. Comelnya kamu.
Cantiknya dia. Antiknya dia.
Happy birthday to you.
Why you buying new phone, sayang?
What?
I don't need new phone. Where do you buy this? Today.
I buy tadi lah masa pergi school.
You don't go to school, is it?
I go school.
You ponteng class ke?
No, I go school. I finish early.
I thought you cannot go jalan-jalan by yourself, sayang.
But I'm safe. I'm here right now.
Cannot lah. Pergi sekolah pun orang kena hantar.
But I want to surprise you.
You have to take me even if you want to surprise me.
That's not how it works. I tanya ChatGPT untuk soalan ni.
Soalan ni, Dik. How do you define love in a marriage?
Love in a marriage, bila kita masih boleh terima each other dalam apa pun keadaan. Like, we don't fight against each other, but we fight for each other.
Love is ever evolving in a marriage. Love yang you first rasa masa awal-awal bercinta dengan masa awal-awal berkahwin, honeymoon phase semua tu is one type of love. But love in a marriage is, if it's everlasting, it will be ever changing also. And it's to keep...
It changing or it's growing?
It's growing and changing. It evolves because people evolve and we evolve as a couple, and no matter what, we still love each other.
Soalan nombor 3, please.
What do you think keeps a marriage strong and lasting? Sabar, and then kena memahami sama-sama lain.
Tak ada sama-sama lain, sayang. Kamu seorang je yang kena sabar. Saya tak payah sabar and saya takkan sabar.
What did you order?
I order barbecue lamb ribs.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you for watching.